Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found your charts starting to look a bit out of whack, or maybe the price candles seem squished or stretched in a weird way, today's tutorial is just for you. We're going to walk through a super useful skill, how to quickly reset the price scale on TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your charts back to an easy-to-read format, saving yourself loads of hassle while analyzing the markets. Let's jump right in. So first things first, head over to TradingView. Just open up your browser and go to TradingView.com. If you're already logged in, great. If not, take a moment to sign in so you have full access to your charts. TradingView is a powerful tool for charting and technical analysis, and getting comfortable with its basic functions will really make your life easier. Now, once you're on TradingView, you'll want to select the product or market you want to look at. This could be anything from stocks, forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, whatever it is you usually analyze. You can do this by searching for the ticker symbol or the name of the asset in the search bar at the top. Select it, and your chart should open up, displaying the most recent price action. Here comes the key part. Take a look at your chart. You'll notice a vertical scale running along the right-hand side of the graph. That's the price scale. Sometimes, as you zoom in and out or drag the chart up and down, the price scale can get distorted. This might make your chart look a little off, with candles either way too big or almost invisible. If that's the case, don't worry, it's a common problem, especially if you've been doing a lot of chart analysis. To fix this, simply move your mouse pointer over to the price scale itself. You don't need to click anything just yet, just hover your cursor there. You'll see the cursor change, maybe to a little hand or arrow, depending on your settings. This lets you know the scale is active and ready for your next action. Here, the magic move, right-click directly on the price scale. A small menu will pop up. Look through the options and you'll see one that says Reset Price Scale. Go ahead and click that. It might feel like a tiny step, but this tool is honestly a lifesaver when things start to look messy. And that's it. Just like that, your price scale will snap back to its default, making everything neat and proportional again. You'll notice that your chart looks balanced, and all your indicators and price action are clearly visible once more. This quick reset is a must-know for anyone who spends time charting. It saves you from getting distracted or making analysis mistakes because you can't see things clearly. Remember, don't worry if you have to do this often. With TradingView's flexible charting, it's totally normal to need a little reset now and then, especially if you're zooming in to look at tiny price movements or pulling out to see the bigger picture. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, maybe something didn't work or you're curious about other TradingView tips, just drop a comment below. I love helping out and chatting with you all, and don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical trading tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.